Welcome to our new Blinger Slinging with E&J YouTube channel. I'm Erica, and in this video you will learn how to make a rhinestone template using the Design Space. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so once you're in a new project, click Upload. Once you're in, click which one you're going to use, and then click Insert. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and bring down the size of it. You can make it a little bit smaller so you can see, what's going on. Then you're going to go ahead and click, make sure that it's selected. Click Ungroup. And then when you ungroup, everything gets ungrouped. These are two separate colors now. And this is down here. We can bring this up. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to resize this because it's vinyl. I can't go ahead and do that. And for the vinyl, I'm going to put it like this because I want mine's. I was going to do a 10.5 and a 2, but that's still fine. And then I'm going to unlock this, bring that down, stretch it a little bit down to 513. It's still okay. It's cool. But what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to change these colors because I don't want the black to be on the same mat with the rhinestone, okay? Now it might look like it's big, but it's not big. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is change that color. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the color so it won't be the same color. So it will have its own separate mat or whatever. So I did go ahead and resize this because it is vinyl. I can go ahead and resize it, but I will not resize these stones. These are SS10 stones, okay? And with Cricut, when you're doing the actual rhinestones, you do not mirror. You do not mirror your image whatsoever. But when you're doing vinyl, you can go ahead and mirror your image.
hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and post your questions in the comment. I will post the link to the group and where to purchase the rhinestone SVG in the description box below. See you in the next video.